مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال والسبيشال بزنس مان رحبوا معي بالمستر أشوك خاطري، الأونر لشركة ساي فليفرز. بداية good afternoon Mr.
Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon.
Yes. Mr. Ashok, in the first I want to meet you and let the viewers as well know about your professional life. When you came here to UAE, how you started your own business?
Definitely. Actually, by profession, I am a food technologist, and our profession involves something to do with the food processing and food technology. So, my first job in UAE was in 1999 when I came and started working for a local snack manufacturing company as a quality control manager. And I worked for them 2 years in UAE. So that was the beginning of my first job and first venture into Dubai.
Yes, very good. So, Mr., how you started with Sai Flavours, and what's the special services that you give and you provide to the market?
Sure. During my professional career, when I was working for many other companies, my specialization has become into the flavors and the food seasoning. So I used to work for a Holland company as a regional director in the region, promoting their flavors and promoting their food seasoning in this market. So in 2008, I thought of venturing on my own, and I was little bit confident that the market knowledge and the contacts which I obtained in the market, I would be able to start my own manufacturing of the snack seasoning.
Bravo.
And then I will be able to sell it to the market. Also, I will give little bit idea about the food industry, especially in the UAE. None of the food flavors are manufactured in UAE. So most of the companies, they are importing their food flavors and food seasoning from outside. So mostly in the Netherlands, and some people are bringing from Germany, and some local manufacturing is done in Egypt. But there is nobody who can supply locally. So we saw this as an opportunity. Because when you are locally manufacturing the product here, and when you are supplying in the whole region, means throughout the Middle East, you are cutting down on the lead time, because you are very near to the market, and our customers have to order in every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, instead of waiting for the product coming from Netherlands for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So we saw this as an opportunity. Also, our business is very dynamic. For example, if somebody is launching the chips, they want to launch a new flavor. So we have to work with our customer to develop a new flavors.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good.
We have to modify the product. We have to
To help them
exactly.
or to advise them.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, our customer, any customer sees a new product launch in the market as a snack, but a lot of work goes behind the scene. For the customer, for the flavor suppliers, we have to work with our customer till they found the flavor right.
Yeah. I got your point.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a great, Mr.
Yeah.
Good to hear. Now, if we had looked to UAE market, and especially Ras Al Khaimah, because Ras Al Khaimah is a big market.
Yes.
We will see that there is a lot of companies, a lot of factories, they have the same services here.
Right.
So, how you make yourself different and your factory special than others? The quality of the product or the price? Let us to know more.
Yeah, sure. Actually, the UAE is again a dynamic market. There are many companies doing the similar products, but our unique selling point is that we are selling the local quality, local products at the European quality.
Wow.
Yeah, most of the raw materials are imported from Europe, America, and we have some technical collaboration with some companies like Kraft and other European companies, and we maintain the quality throughout the supplies. For example, if one customer orders a tomato ketchup flavor from me, so it is our responsibility to make sure that every time he orders the product, he should get the same quality, same taste, same color. There should not be any change in the product.
Yes.
Otherwise, he will have trouble in manufacturing the product. His customer will start complaining that the taste has changed. People are very particular about the taste. Yeah. Also, we are a medium-sized company. We are not a very big company. We are in a SME segment in UAE, and since we are a medium-sized company, we are more flexible. We are more response time is very fast. For example, somebody wants to develop a product, we are very fast in our research and development laboratory. We are working with them very closely. Also, the most important point which I was mentioning earlier, if our industrial customer has to order the product from my company, our production lead time is maximum 10 days. And depending upon which location we are shipping, if it is local, we deliver on the same day.
Wow.
Yeah. If it is export markets, most of our export markets are within the vicinity of 3 to 5 days lead time. So,
and you give it on time.
Yeah.
When you say yes,
exactly.
Very good. We hope for you, Mr. to grow more and more and
Thank
be
you.
in a high level, because really, Mr. Ashok Khatri, you deserve to be success in your life.
Sure.
Now, every good businessman, he have a plan for the future.
Correct.
Where we will find you after 2 years from now?
Sure, I mean, we'll continue to do what we are doing right now. But definitely, Al Jazeera, Alhambra and Ras Al Khaimah is a good platform.
Of course.
And we started with them. And especially the RAK Economic Zone, which is our licensing authority. We are working with them. I mean, our business, we are growing every year. So, for example, when we started here, we had only 2 warehouses. Now we had almost 7-8 warehouses we are occupying here with Rakesh. Now, again, we are discussing with Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone to add more space to our factory. So we are going to expand our production area. We are going to expand our product range. So, I mean, what I can say to you that in the next 2 years, we are having a very ambitious target.
Inshallah.
To double the capacity.
Inshallah. I am sure that one day we will find you there, Mr.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Now, we are living in UAE country, the best country in the world, have the safety and security with the happiness.
Definitely.
We have to thank the leaders and the rulers and everything we are feeling right now. It's because of them.
Yeah.
We will thank them from Sai Flavours and from Mr. Ashok Khatri.
Definitely. UAE is one of the best country in the world in terms of safety. The most important aspect about UAE is that our leaders, or all the leaders in UAE, starting from president till the ruler of Ras Al Khaimah, they are very dynamic, they are very people focused, they are business friendly. They have created an atmosphere where people like me, who are not were not born here, were not Emirati, but they made us feel like we are part of them.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. This is the point that I like to hear.
Exactly.
Yes.
And UAE, if you compare to even my home country and a lot of countries around the world, this is one of the safest place, and also the leadership has provided a sort of a stability to all the investors. There is no change in the policies. The policies are changed for the betterment. And even during the Corona difficult time, I found that the support from the government, support from the ruler of Abu Dhabi, ruler of Dubai, as well as ruler of Ras Al Khaimah was fantastic. Even in Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone, they have given us some incentives in electricity discount, a water discount, and also they have given us little support to help us, a small contribution from them to
this is support.
To avoid this difficult time.
Yes, this is support. So from our channel as well, we will thank the UAE government, and we will thank the leadership and the president of UAE, of course. And we will thank you, Mr. Ashok Khatri, to accept us here in your special company. Inshallah, always we will see you in the top and in the high level. Before we end our program, just want from your side to tell the viewers where we are now in Ras Al Khaimah.
Yes. We are located in a place called Al Jazeera Hamra, and it's an industrial area. It is coming under Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone, and our factory is located to very close to Hotel Acacia. Hotel Acacia is a landmark in our area, and it's a good hotel as well. So I think hopefully after Corona you guys can come and enjoy hotel also.
Yes.
And anybody who's in the food factory, they are most welcome to come and visit us. We are very open to work with them.
Yes, thank you, Mr. for your note in the last. I will thank you so much, my dear viewers. The contact number down of our screen with the website and the location for Sai Flavor. Thank you, Mr. Tuaxi.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا Friday and Saturday in سمع العين TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.